Welcome to the SATELIS 50W installation video, Thermo Edition with self-heating battery on wooden pole. For the following installation, you will not need component I. SOLTECH does not supply tenon adapters. Please contact a pole manufacturer for a tenon adapter. Here are the components you will need for the SATELIS 50W Thermo Edition on wooden pole. First, place the tenon adapter on top of the pole and secure with the large flange wood screws. Then, slide the solar panel sleeve on top of the tenon adapter and secure with screws from component kit B. Next, connect the solar panel to component K using the screws from component kit A. Then mount on top of the solar panel sleeve and secure with screws from component kit D. Don't forget to connect the cables. You will then slide the luminaire onto component J and secure with screws. Grab component H and screw onto one side of the pole with 4 screws, then attach component J. On the other side of the pole, screw in component G with 2 screws and then harness the battery pack. Connect the battery cable and the solar panel cable. We advise that you enclose the cables with a cable cover to protect from bad weather or hazardous material. You can ask your contractor to supply the cable cover. For optimum solar intake, face your solar panel toward the south and tilt at 45-degree angle. After the fixture is installed, please follow the steps below to program an output setting on the remote control. First, press the test button to check if the fixture is turned on. An LED light will turn on to indicate that the light has been turned on. Second, press the 20%, 80% motion sensor mode to save energy and extend autonomy. An LED light will flash to indicate that that mode has been set. Third, during the daytime, check that the indicator is slowly flashing red. That means the battery is charging. Reminder to program the fixture immediately after installing. Please contact your contractor for the large flange wood screws and the cable connector cover. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us at www.soltechlighting.com.